Hi folks, Tim with Narhi Auctions. Hey, this is a 2010 International. It's got the MaxxForce 13 there. This truck has an automatic transmission, and they had to give it a boost to get it started just because they've been sitting a little bit, but they want to get them sold just because they've been sitting a little bit. They don't need them to be sitting. Everybody needs to get a truck out on the road. There's a good truck right there. This has got the super singles on the back for tires, and pretty good rubber all the way around. And starts and runs good. It's got automatic transmission, sleeper cab. What's that? Oh yeah, you want to move it back and forth a little for me, Ken? There you go, folks. Other pictures on here to kind of show you some other configurations on that truck, but it runs nice and smooth. About 648,000 miles on it. Just not needing these trucks in the fleet anymore, so that's the reason for the sale. So there you go.